YouTube, this is Tyler. It comes here. Okay, let's open it up and check it out. It's the very best train in the whole world.
Hop aboard!
Wow, he plays a lot of different stuff, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's open it up and check it out.
And check it out. Okay. Okay, let's try and start opening this.
Yeah. Your hand color, Daddy? Your hand color?
Yep. Makes things easier. Okay, now that I got the cover off, Tyler,
Oh, yeah.
let's take the train out.
Train up.
And here's the little cars.
Little cars.
And finally, Grandpa and George here.
George. So, yeah,
There's George.
George.
Get George out. Where do you want George at here? There's Grandpa into the driver's seat. So here's everything you get with the train. Here's the complete setup. Also comes with it is Grandpa Pig here.
Grandpa Pig.
And he's set up in his engineering outfit.
Yeah.
He's got a little, I guess that's an engineering hat there he's got.
Oh, yeah.
There's an anchor on it, so it looks like a captain's hat for a sailboat. That's what comes with the train. He's got, looks like a whistle around his neck.
Whistle.
So we'll sit him there. Also comes with it is George Pig. And look at little George, he's got a little train shirt on.
Yeah.
The little locomotive on there. Put him on there. And so cute, right, Tyler?
Right, yeah.
Okay, so we got Grandpa in the engine here.
Engine.
Who we got George in the back there. Who else do you want to put in there? You want to get Peppa?
Yeah.
Who you want to bring into the third car there?
Hop aboard!
Hop aboard. Here comes Daddy Pig.
Peppa.
Hop in. Can barely fit there with George. Who else is there, Tyler?
Mommy Pig.
Okay, Mommy Pig, hop aboard. And who else?
George or Peppa.
Let's put Peppa in there.
Yeah.
Okay, now full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead!
Here we go. Bye.
Bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching the video.